Good evening viewers, welcome to my channel Census 2027 Learning Hub. So in this CMMS video series, we will make every concept simple and learn each module through step-by-step hands-on practice. Learn it, do it and master it. Let's get started. So this is our home page of our CMMS portal. CMMS means Census Management and Monitoring System. This is our test portal, right? And in the live portal there will be no test, it will be only census.gov.in, right? So like in test portal we need to enter this one, test.census.gov.in. this is the URL. So after that we need to enter the user ID. So I am entering one user ID, and after that I need to enter the captcha GUT, and then I need to click on verify and proceed. Okay, there is some issue in the captcha M, K and C, and then I need to verify and proceed. Okay, so it's asking the 6-digit OTP, right? So I need to enter the 6-digit OTP. This 6-digit OTP will be sent to our mobile number, registered mobile number or email ID, right? So I need to enter this 6-digit OTP. So I have entered it, and then I need to enter and verify OTP. After verifying the OTP, it is asking me for the password. So I am entering the password, and then I will log in. So you can see this is the home page of our CMMS portal, right? And these are some of the menus, drop downs, which we will be discussing in this complete CMMS video series, like dashboards and reports, user management, HLO management, training management, printing and logistic management, and downloads. So first I will go to this menu, which is called user management. Under user management we have single user account creation, bulk user account creation and view users. So single user account creation, under single user account creation we can use each user singly. Under bulk user creation we can create a bulk of users at a time, and in view users menu we can see what all are the users that we have created, right? So first what I will do, one more concept, there are different types of users that we will be using in our Census 2027 CMMS portal. So one users will be charge admin. First users will be district admin, and district admin will create charge admin, right? And along with charge admin, district admin will create charge user also. For rural circle it will create charge admin, and for urban it will create statutory town charge admin. Similarly, statutory town charge user will also be there. So these are some of the users that we'll be using in this CMMS portal. So now we will go one by one all the menus. So some users like district user I have already told. District admin will create district user, field trainer, rural charge admin, rural charge user, statutory town charge admin and statutory town charge user. So today I will create one user. Let's say I will go to this single user account creation, and then I will select, let's say I will create a charge user, and after that I need to enter the name. Let's say name is Ramlal. One more thing, in the name part we should not use any salutations like Doctor, Shri, Shrimati. Okay, these things we should avoid, because the name which we are giving, this will be the part of the user name that will be automatically generated, right? So we should give only the name, first name, middle name and last name, not the salutations before the name like doctors, Shri, Shrimati, Mr. and Mrs., right? So after that we need to enter the age. Let's say age is 34. After that we need to enter the sex and then email ID. So this email ID and this mobile number we should very carefully enter, because these are the email IDs when this user will be login into the portal of CMMS, an OTP will be generated, and that OTP will be sent to this email IDs and mobile numbers which we will be giving here while creating this user. So we should be very much careful while giving this email ID and mobile number, right? So in normal cases, charge admin should give his own mobile number in this, and as there will be technical assistant in the charge who can give their email ID in this email ID text box, because charge normally circle officers and executive officers are busy in their day-to-day work. So in that case, technical assistant can also use it by using the OTP that will be sent to this email ID. So let's say I am creating an email ID abc@gmail.com, and I am giving a mobile number, let's say okay. So this, you can see the asterisk mark. This asterisk mark shows that this is a mandatory field, so we need to fill only the mandatory field, right? So I will use circle officer, right? So after that, identity type, these are not mandatory, but if you want to enter, we can also enter it. These are not mandatory fields. And after that, we need to enter the office name. Let's say circle office, ABC, anything you can give, and there will be some pin, let's say. So all fields marked with asterisks are mandatory. So you can see that we have entered the details. Now we will enter the click on the submit button. See, users created successfully, login credentials have been sent to the user. So as the login credentials, what will be the login credentials will be sent to the mobile number and the email ID that we have given, right? So this is how we have we will be using our single user creation. After that, we will be going to the bulk user creation. So in bulk user creation, you can see there is a download template, right? So download template, we need to download it first. So after downloading the download template, in download template, there are some fields that we need to fill. Okay, so these fields are types of functionaries: name, email ID, and after that mobile number, sex, age, designation, identity type, identity number, office address. Like this, few fields you can see are in red and few are in black. Those fields, column name, which are in red are mandatory fields, and those which are in black are non-mandatory. So from that type of functionality, we can add supervisor or enumerator, right? So one more thing I want to discuss here, that this bulk user creations will be using for creation of enumerators and supervisors, because as we all know that enumerators and supervisors will be in large number. So creating enumerators and supervisors using single user account creation is not feasible, right? So we'll be using the bulk user account creation. So first, what we need to do, we need to download the template, and then we need to fill the data. Once the data is filled, we should be keeping in mind that no salutations, no dot, no special characters will be using in any field in the table, right? In that Excel that will be downloaded, the template, there should not be using any salutations like Sri, doctors, dot, any special character should not use, right? Because if we are using any special characters, then while uploading we'll get some error. So after that, what we need to do, that template that we have filled, we need to select the Excel from here. We need to, like this, we need to select it, and after that we need to upload it. Like this, we need to select it, and after that we need to upload it. Okay. So after uploading this, the users will be created. one more thing we should keep in mind, that each Excel can have a data of 999 records, but it is recommended that we should keep data less than 100. Let's say 70, 80, 90, up to 99 we can keep, but it is recommended because in different states the census are still going on. So few of the states have reported that while we are taking large count of data in a single Excel sheet, it creates some errors. So to resolve those errors, after getting the resolution of that errors, it is recommended that we should enter around less than 99 records in this download template before uploading for bulk user creation. So this is how bulk user creation is done, and after that we will go to that view users. So in view users, you can see these are some of the users that we have created. Okay, so these are some of the users that we have created. So we'll get a list of users which are created. So this is all about our user management. I hope this video will be I hope this video will help in your forthcoming census 2027. Thank you all for watching. For more step-by-step CMMS practical videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upcoming session. See you in the next video. Thank you.